Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a follow-up video for you. In a previous video I talked about the DBrand grip case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Today I'm going to show you two of the skins that I bought, and I'm going to put one of them on and show you just how easy it is to put the skin on. Now, I bought these two skins. I bought the Teardown, which will be the skin that I'm going to put on, and I bought the Pastel Sunset Red. Now, to be honest, I thought this was going to be a little bit more red than it is. You can kind of see it's a little bit of a pink, but that's okay. I got it, you know, if I want to change up styles or whatever. So these are from DBrand. They are 3M vinyl. This is the original Teardown skin. You can see a high gloss. They also have a matte version of that if that's what you're into. Included with the skin, they provide you a cleaning cloth. So we're going to go ahead, take this out of the bag, and I'm going to put the skin on the back of the grip case first. So I'm going to clean this off here. Now the nice thing about both of these is that they come with the case skin as well as the camera skin. So we're going to be putting the big skin on the case. We're going to then put the small skin on the camera of the phone, actually. So it's actually going to protect that glass as well, prevent it from scratching, and maybe just a thin layer of protection right around the lenses, so that it doesn't lie flat directly on that. So let's get started. Let's line it up at the bottom here. There we go. I'm just going to lightly press around. Get a real nice fit all the way around the case. And we want to smooth out any bubbles that you see. And I'm going to take the wipe and I'm just going to push right along all the edges. You can see there I actually caught a bubble. And that's going to be there permanently. So you don't want to be too rough with these. They do kind of tend to slide around a bit. Just kind of want to be careful around the edges. And that's it right there. Still have a couple bubbles in here that will just work out. And in reality, this is just like putting on a screen protector. Now I'm just using the light from the camera here to help find any extra bubbles. And I think we're on. So now we're going to take this small vinyl here and place it right on the glass of the camera. I'm going to clean this off. We're just peeling this off here. We're going to place it very, very gently onto the glass. And we'll just wipe down right around it. I got it a little off center. So it peeled up. We're going to try it again. Alright, that time I think we got it right. Now you can see perfectly around the lenses. Should not interrupt any of the camera. Snap that right back in, and there you have it. The DBrand Teardown skin for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And that'll do it for today. Again, if you enjoy the videos, please subscribe, please like the channel, comment below what you'd like to see, and we'll cover some stuff in the future. Thanks, guys.